Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar,
This is Bible Firdousi Islamic English channel. I am your lecturer, presenter and speaker, Dr. Taj Firdousi. What has Islam given us the lesson? Islam speaks of peace. And where is the peace? In Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's will. And whatever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, it is in Surat al Asr. It is there. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wal asr. Innal insana lafi khusr. إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. They are the people who are on the truth and patient. And what is the kind of patience? They never bend down for any bad things, for any kind of forces, but they stand first. They strongly stand with the truth. The truth, haqq. And they speak of the truth. And who are those people? The Momin. They are the people. And what about the others? They are in khasra. The people are in loss. And the people only who are not in loss, the ones who have the patience, who sabr, who wait, and then stand for the truth, And what is the truth? The word of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's all about saying that Allah is one, and there is no one to be associated with, and love humanity, peace, humanity. There are only two things you have to know. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's oneness, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the one who gave us the lessons and who practiced and showed, and number three, practice whatever that has been told. Three things. That's all. Jazakallah.